Now let us understand what is an option. Option has unique property. It gives right to option buyer and option seller gets obligation to fulfill the commitment. This part can be little tricky to understand. Please pay your attention. Suppose I want to buy land which is not developed. One of my close friend works in an important department and he has given me insider news that there is a planning for new road which will pass through one area and that will be declared in 3 months. There is one farmer in that area who wants to sell his land. What will I do? I will approach him and I will tell him that I am interested in buying the land. That farmer doesn't know that there is a planning for new road. So he does not expect the price to rise. Now what are my options to buy the land? Suppose cost of land is 1 crore. First option is I pay full amount to seal the deal. This is called as cash buying. Second option is I request him to reserve this deal for me. I will buy the land after 3 months. Farmer wants to sell it, but why will he reserve the deal for me? Well, he can sell it to anyone who is willing to pay, right? He can ask me to deposit some money at least to seal the deal so that both of us get bound by the contract to make the deal. But I am not 100% sure whether the news is true and whether the rates will increase after 3 months. So I don't want my capital to get stuck in the deal. So what will I do? I will tell him to make a contract where if I want to buy the land in 3 months, he should sell it to me. And contract will be valid for a period of 3 months. Farmer cannot sell his land to anyone else without my permission and it will be an obligation on him. Another clause of the contract will be that if after 3 months I do not want to buy the land, farmer cannot compel me in any case. I will have the right to buy the land in 3 months, but I will not have any obligation to buy it. I can deny to fulfill my offer, but farmer cannot deny if I want to buy. Farmer will not accept these terms without any monetary benefits. So here I will offer him a premium amount to be paid. For example, if the cost of land is 1 crore at this moment, I expect the prices to increase by 40 to 50% immediately after the road is declared. So my offer to him will be, I will buy the land at 5% extra cost. Means I will buy land at 1.05 CR. This is 5% more than current rate in 3 months. On top of that, I will also pay him premium amount which can be around 5 lakh rupees and that he can keep in addition to the amount of 1.05 CR which is cost of land. I am paying this premium amount to get the right to buy land at 1.05 CR in 3 months time and I get the right that the farmer will not make deal with anyone else for that duration of period. Third clause in contract will be farmer can keep entire money of 5 lakh rupees if I do not buy the land after 3 months. So if I buy it at end of 3 months, I will have to pay 1.05 CR to farmer. Means farmer will pocket 5 lakh premium amount which I am paying right now to make the contract and he will pocket 5 lakh rupees extra over original price of 1 CR. Total gain of farmer will be 10 lakhs extra in this deal if it is fulfilled. Farmer will be happy with this deal and he will be willing to sign the contract. Here I am paying 1.05 CR for land of 1 CR. I am paying higher cost, that is out of the money. I am doing this because I want to pay less premium amount. If I opt to buy the land at 1 CR, then I will have to pay extra premium I may have to pay 7-8 lakhs or 10 lakh rupees right away. Instead, I choose to pay 5 lakhs and I choose to pay extra amount at the time of deal. This reduces my initial investment. Now, seller is obliged to fulfill the contract, but buyer is not obliged. Means farmer has to sell his land if I want to buy it, but I am not obliged and I can deny to buy. In that case, I will not be able to get my 5 lakh rupees back. Farmer will be able to keep that 5 lakh rupees. So let us see what is the outcome of this transaction. After 3 months, road is actually declared, and here I have right to buy the land at 1.05 crore. Even if there is increase of 50% and cost of land is 1.5 crore at the time of buying, there may be other buyers who are willing to buy the land at 1.4 to 1.5 crore. Farmer will not be able to sell it to them, he will have to sell it to me. I got good price appreciation within short duration of time. Here my profit will be around 40 lakh rupees in this deal. I have invested 5 lakh rupees for 3 months. I am option buyer here and I get to buy the land at previously accepted rate, that is 1.05 crore. So that farmer has to sell it to me at 1.05 crore and I can sell it at any price at current market price, which can be 1.5 crore. So this way farmer will have 5 lakh rupees which I have given him and he will get 1.05 crore as a cost of land and he will get total 1.1 crore. 3 months ago price of that land was 1 crore. At that time we had done the contract. Now in 3 months the price has increased by 50% and my gain is very good as compared to my investment. In another scenario, after 3 months, suppose the road is not declared and instead of road it is declared that area of dumping yard is nearby, and because of this rates decrease by 20 to 30%. In this case, I do not have an obligation to buy. I am contract buyer and I do not have obligation to buy. So if I want that I should not invest my money at 1.05 crore, I will tell the farmer you can keep 5 lakh rupees, I don't want your land. This way I will be saved from larger losses which could have been 20 or 30 lakh rupees, and my capital is not stuck for this period of time and I don't have to sell the land again. So this is the possible outcome of my deal. Now suppose farmer is a smart guy and he has contacts in same office as me and he also gets same information about the road. He knows that price of land is likely to go up once road is declared and he wants more premium for the land. So he will not be willing to sell me the land even at 1.05 crore. He is not sure about the news, but he is aware that there is a news which may cause increase in the price. So because of the news he would also want to have more gains. What will he do? He will not be ready to sell the land at current price. He will ask more premium to be paid to sell the property at 1.05 crore. Maybe he will ask for 15 lakh rupees as a premium, or he will ask me to buy property at higher rate around 1.15 or 1.2 crore for premium of 5 lakh rupees. So this way I will have to either pay higher premium at current price or I will have to pay higher price and premium will be less. If the seller is not ready, then contract is not traded. Contract is traded only if buyer and seller both agree to price. In this scenario, if farmer wants 20% extra, means if he wants to have 1.2 cr at the time of price of purchase, I will have to pay 1.2 cr when I am finalizing the deal, and I will have to pay 5 lakh premium right away. So that actual price of my land will be 1.25 cr, and farmer will get very good returns. I may get good return if price increases beyond my break-even point. We'll discuss about break-even point shortly. Please don't ask questions related to break-even point. This was an example of call option. If you have any questions related to what I have said till now, please go ahead.